how our spreadsheet looks like. If we are going to see over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever is written in the vertical position on the exactly left side, this all are row numbers exactly. And what is written over on the top of like A, B, C, D, E, F, these all are known as columns. And intersections of rows and columns are known as cell. For our good interpretation, just we are just moving the cursor over here. If we are just going to select, we have selected two and we have just colored it suppose by green. Okay, so this is the entire green is representing a row, and here suppose B column I have to choose. I am just going to coloring it by yellow color. Okay, so this is the column. Now here coming to the intersection part, and I am just going to color it by red. Okay, so this is the cell. Now the entire spreadsheet is can be this is one sheet. Okay, so this unique sheets are known as worksheet in the spreadsheet program, and we can add more spreadsheet from this column. Okay, from this plus button. So from where you all will get this plus button. If you are going to see it, that in the bottom below here where I'm just marking by black, this is if we are going to click on that, left click on that, we can just add sheets. Okay, so let us see that can we do that or not. So here I am just clicking. Here I am just clicking, and automatically sheet 2 will be added. Now here again I'm just going to click on the plus button. Sheet 3 will be added. So now this entire worksheet is not only consist of a single worksheet. This is consist of a 3 worksheets all together. Okay, so this all these things are known as a workbook over here. So up to this, we have just learned very few basic things: rows, columns, worksheets, and workbook. Okay, workbook is if we are not understanding, just think about our book. Our book is actually a cover, and along with that cover, there in between the covers there are many pages. So the book is actually the workbook we can consider over here, and the pages are individually sheets, worksheets over here. These are very pretty much easy few things we have just got to know. Now here more things we are just going to learn over here. Suppose I am choosing every cell is having a unique cell address. Suppose where I am clicking now, where the plus sign is shown over here, this cell is having a unique address. So the address of this cell is A1. Okay, so suppose I'm just going to the red part. So this address is B2. So how we can just get to know that what is the address? What is the address? Here first we will just consider the column part. After that the row part. Suppose here this. So this is the intersecting part. We are going to see that G is the intersection part, and along with the G there is this is sixth row. So G6 is this cell's address. So wherever we can go, we are going to have the unique cell address in throughout this worksheet. Okay. So like this, we can just, we have learned one more thing, that is unique cell address of those things. Now coming to the ranges. Suppose here I am choosing from D5 to G5. There are many cells. We all can see that there are 4 cells all together. Okay, D5 to G5. So here from D5 to G5, all these cells are known as ranges. Up to this, I hope that whatever we have learned, this is very much clear. Very few basic things we have learned. What is workbook, what is worksheet, what is column, what is row, what is ranges, and along with that cell address. Okay, so yeah, after that, here we will see putting data. It's very easy. Suppose here I have to enter in your entire class record. So how I can just do. Suppose a column is dedicated for your roll number. Okay, so here if we will just write roll number. If we are not going to mention anything for this column, this is automatically consist of a single in general format. Okay, so first roll number is 01. It's always a good habit to put 0 for the single digit number. Okay, because it will look uniform throughout the worksheet. Okay, 001. Suppose this is 02. By this way, just moving the cursor, we can just put. And here, since this is we are putting the number, it is not taking the 0 in front of 0. Okay, afterwards we will come how we can do. Now here, suppose I have just I need some extra row in between roll number and 1. So how we can just do? We can just click on either of this roll number, or below this 81 at cell address, or below to this 82 cell address, and afterwards we can go to the insert button. So let us go there. Let me see that how can we just go there. So insert. Here you can just see enter row I need. So enter row I can just select. I have selected enter row and selected OK. So before that enter row has been just created, and the entire worksheet, whatever is written below that is also moved down. Like the same way we can just put our column over here, just insert and enter column. Okay, so yeah, after the one more column is added and enter, things will be shifted to the right side. Okay. Next, here coming to the very crucial part, whatever work we are going to do in the practical, those things need to be saved. And saving is pretty much easy throughout the MS Office application. So how we can do? Just go to File, and after File, here you can just get to know many options. Just save option are there. Save option this PC, and for you all can see grade 11 IT I will choose, because already I need this, and this is your practical. So I will just give practical 1. Save as type. Already it is Excel workbook, no need to change, just save it. Okay, after saving, suppose this is a very confidential and crucial few data are there in the entire workbook. Okay, so how we can save it? To save it from any forgery or any fraud case? Very simple. Go to File. Here, Protect Workbook options will come. Here, we can just protect the entire workbook or restrict access. This kind of things, many things we can just do. I am just doing it with a password. Okay, password is very simple. I am giving in the small letter. I am giving open me. Okay, press OK. Everywhere you will get to see that password. You need to just put twice. Okay, so open me again. Okay, the entire workbook has been protected. Okay, so yeah, from info, from file tab, you have to go to info, option, and from there you will get to know your protect workbook option. Okay, so let us see that. Let us go back to the part. Here I hope that it's very clear. Now suppose here in this columns I don't want this color, so I am just decoloring it. Just put it white. So I'm just selecting it as the no fill. This looks good. This is for your understanding. I just made it colored. So I am just changing back it no fill. Okay. Suppose here the student names are there. Now names are actually, you all know that many names are actually the alphabets only. We can just put over here. Now name in this cells, the cell size is very small. So if our name, suppose consider my name is Ritika Doli. So if I am going to put that my enter name over here, Ritika and Doli, it will definitely not going to fit in that particular cell. It will just come out from that cell. So what we will do, a very easy thing is there. Here we can just recite the cell size by just dragging the uh, sidelines of the rows or columns or whatever you need to just need to do over here. Just do the needful over here. Okay. So suppose so here it's done, and here suppose I am entering your name, Chomilis. So here I am just entering your name. Okay, it's done. Now here name, roll number, all these things are done. All these things are done. I want to change the orientation of those text. Okay, how we can do? Just go to the selected cell. Suppose this entire rows orientation I want in a different format. Okay, because orientation sometimes means we want a different orientation. Here from the home tab, you can just go to the alignment group. Here, all these are tabs: file, home, insert, page layout, formulas. These are tabs. You all know MS Office has been designed in a very similar approach. All the application software, whatever is providing by MS Office, these are having quite similarity in between. So these all are tab name, and in between whatever is there, clipboard, font, alignment, numbers, styles, cells, editing. These all are actually, we can say that these all are groups. Okay. So here from the home tab, you can just go to the assignment, and here you can just go to vertical. So vertically your name, roll number, name, everything will be stored. Now, why we are choosing like that? Because we are choosing like that to just represent our worksheet in a nicer, more nicer format. I think up to this, whatever we have learned, these all things are clear. Now here one purpose is there also. Suppose there is a few things we are having, so we can write English like that, and other subjects are there. Suppose this is Bengali, we are all are having Bengali, mathematics. You can see that these subject names are bigger, but if we are going to represent it vertically, this will look more good, right? Mathematics, after that suppose physics is there, physics. So it's pretty much easy. Data entering is very much easy in the Excel. Okay, so chemistry, and afterwards we can just go to suppose biology, and don't forget our subject, that is ICT in your board. Okay, so done. It's completely done. Now this entire row, we can just we are just putting the alphabets only, right? roll number, name, English, Bengali, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology. And we can just protect this entire row. How? No, how we can just protect it like that, that no one can enter any kind of digit. Okay, so let me see how we can just do. We can do it very easy, in a very easily we can just do. How we can do, just select the entire row, and here in my case the entire row has been selected, and right click on it. After right clicking, you all will get to see that format cells options is there. So format cells. Format cells here in the general type is just general type is already general type is there. So, we can just specify it like text. Okay, text means only alphabets, only persons, peoples can enter. Okay, just we are specifying it and just applying it. Okay, so this all are done. Also, suppose for the column B, name column, this is my name and this is your name, Shomili. So in for this column also, we can just do the same thing. Same thing, same. First, we have to choose the column. After that, format cells. Go to format cells. We are specifying it with the text and press OK. Because name cannot be, name doesn't have any kind of numbers in between, right? Now from here, for English, Bengali, all these things you all can just know. These are numbers also we can just provide. Okay, so let me see that here we have just put a few of the few. Let me see that can we just here, when I have just put 11 here, one message is coming which is taking as wrong. Okay, error checking options are there, so let me see. Let me see. So here error can be checked and modified easily, right? So just I am deleting this. Yes, this error is automatically gone. Up to this, I hope that you understood. Yes, this video is up to this. Thank you for watching it. Just we will meet on the next video.